Do you know that the best programming talent is not in California? It is in Bulgaria. According to Stack Overflow, Bulgaria is the #1 country in terms of IT developers, leading the ranking of all nations with the highest average reputation. Do you know that Bulgaria has the highest level of broadband adoption in the world at 96%, just edging out South Korea? It was 10th just 2 years ago. Or that 3 Bulgarians are going to connect over 1 million internet users in giant India, not spending $1 on building a broadband infrastructure? And these are not some wandering black swan effects that we breed here, but the consistent outcome from connecting the dots of local innovation and entrepreneurial talent. In a global perspective, Bulgaria is located in the center of the most diverse area, populated by 2/3 of 1 billion, bridging east and west. And it could be a greatly functioning hub of technology growth and innovation for emerging markets. 10 years ago, we at NEVEQ were the first to recognize and start digging in this potential, although many thought that we were just daydreamers. 10 years ago, when we started securing our first 20 million risk capital, Facebook, Viber and Uber did not yet exist, and people chatted via ICQ. Our first deal was negotiated on the great Sony Ericsson Z500. 10 years ago, the world perceived Bulgaria at best to be a little more expensive India for outsourcing some mundane coding and low-profile development job. But we believe that local talent should not remain anonymous among the 0-1s and is ready to be unlocked by an experienced hand. We envisioned Bulgaria as a leader in creating breakthrough technology products that achieve growth and are sold to global players. Today, $50 million later, 2 funds under management, 5 successful exits, 2 of them by our fund, and a digital revolution over, we feel our underdog concept is on the right track more than ever. Some of our current investments register triple-digit growth per month. Properati is a market leader in mobile applications for property search on the Latin American market of 400 million consumers. Cashwave is disrupting the traditional regulated money transfer by a tech solution that sends shopping vouchers at low to zero costs in markets with $4 billion in annual remittances. Vayant Travel Technologies, a world leader in B2B airfare search innovation, is today welcoming Deutsche Lufthansa as a new investor. And these are just single champions yet, but tomorrow there will be 500, 1,000 teams in top profitable verticals. Today, technology is a commodity. It is the human that matters. What is still very challenging, to have a vision whose innovation will be able tomorrow to outsmart itself and further solve a people's need in a unique way.